That pass was loose and it's been intercepted. Luis Suarez has a goal! Oh, the ball's come loose here. Oh, well played. He needed to get that right. Mohamed Salah. Now it's Salah! In for the pieces! It's in! Players ecstatic, fans delirious. This is utopian. He was really quick to react to the initial save, and he has his reward.
Well, it still had to be finished off, so well done to the goal scorer, but the keeper should have done a lot better.
After 72 minutes is